Good day everyone, I am Cadet Lazaro and today we're going to discuss the Doppler lag. First of all, Doppler lag is a device used on ships to measure the speed and direction of water currents relative to the ship's motion. It works by transmitting an ultrasonic signal from the ship's hull into the water and measuring the frequency shifts the signal as it bounces off particles in the water. So how it works? As you can see in the picture, transducers fitted on the ship's keel, which transmit a beam of the acoustic wave at an angle usually 60 degrees to the keel in the forward direction. The beam is bounced off the seabed or layer of the water and received back at the transducer. The difference in frequency between the transmitted and received signals is measured and is proportional to the speed of the ship. So here's the system configuration. So principle of operation, the Doppler speed lags measures ship speed by the Doppler effect, which is observed as a frequency shift resulting from relative motion between a transmitter and receiver or reflector of acoustic or electromagnetic energy. A common example of the Doppler effect is a train. When a train is approaching, the whistle has a higher pitch than normal. You can hear the change in the pitch as the train passes. So this kind of Doppler DS80 has a pair beam, one directed in the four direction and the other in the aft direction, which emits ultrasonic waves at all angle of 0 to the waterline toward ships fore and aft directions. The frequency of the received signal is then compared with that of the transmitted frequency to measure Doppler shift to calculate ship speed. So operation of display unit. As you can see in the picture, here's the part of operation or display unit controls. Number one is power on. Press the power switch to turn on the equipment. The last used display appears. The example below shows the speed and distance run. So this is the speed and distance. The speed is 10 knots and the distance is 12.50 nautical miles. And note, STW means speed through water. This indication flashes when transducer's temperature, which can be monitored on the test display, is abnormal. This means speed accuracy is less than stated in the specification. So how to operate? Press the power switch to turn the power off. Note, keep the DS80 energized continuously unless it fails. Turning off the DS80 may cause an inconvenience in associated equipment such as radar. To adjust the contrast panel dimmer, press the button key to open the contrast adjustment dialog box as you can see in the picture, then followed by the omnipad at or to adjust the contrast. The setting range is 0 to 63 and the default setting is 48. Press ENT key. The contrast is automatically set default to 48 when the power is turned on. To open the panel dimmer, press the DM key to show the dimmer adjustment dialog box. Press the on pad at or to adjust the dimmer and the setting range is 1 to 8 and the default setting is 4. Note, the dim key is inoperative when the dimmer is controlled externally. So second one is selecting a display. You need to press the display key to select display desired. Each time the key is pressed, the display shows speed and distance run or speed alone is below. Arrow indicates direction and indicates fore or aft. The distance run indication shows the total distance run in forward speed only. The distance run is back up when the power is turned off. And take note that the speed error may occur in a roses because of air bubbles, etc. When speed error occurs, the speed indication freeze and KT is highlighted and blinks. If speed error continues more than 30 seconds, the speed indication changes to. Next is the main menu. Um, so next one is main menu operation. As you can see, so in here in the picture, the distance run display. Press the menu key to open the menu and select the distance run display. And next one is press the on pad at lower or down, then select a menu item. The current selection is highlighted, and press the ENT key. For example, when the distance run display is selected, the following display appears. Distance run is a form of contact closure, 200 pulses per nautical miles. To select IEC 61162 sentence, and yeah. So next is so 6 is adjusting the distance run. Distance run can be changed when the menu item data display is selected to contact closure. It may also be changed only to display unit when IEC. And to operate, press the menu key to open the menu, then use upper direction to select the distance run display and press the ENT key. Then select the set and press the ENT key. Followed by the press the omnipad at left or right to select the digit to change. Press the on pad at up or down to change the value, and the setting range is 00.00 nautical mile to 9999.999 nautical mile, and followed by press the ENT key followed by pressing the menu key twice to conduce your selection and close the menu. Next one is setting the distance run to 0. So distance run can be reset to 0 when the menu item data display is selected to contact closure. It may also be reset to 0 only at the display unit when IEC is selected. To operate, press the menu key to open the menu. Second is press the on pad at the lower to select distance run display and press the ENT key. Select reset and press the ENT key. As you can see in the picture, here's the on and off, reset, set, and off. Next is the system setting. System setting provides the fundamental parameters for intended performance of the Doppler lag 80. So to operate, press the menu key to open the menu, then follow the select system menu and press the ENT key. Ship speed average. Wind and currents affect ship speed, and speed data is averaged over the time period set on this menu. Increase the speed averaging period if the speed reading is unstable. To operate, open the system menu, followed by select ship speed average and press the ENT key. Next one is speed offset calibration. Calibration of any speed lag is necessary through the sea trials during the commissioning test. Fill in the calibration sheet, which is on the next slide of this PowerPoint. And to operate this is open the system menu, select speed offset and press the ENT key. As you can see in the picture is the system menu, and followed by the digit with direction of left or right, and change the value with up or down on the Omnipad. Press the ENT key and press the menu key twice to close the menu. For tracking depth, Doppler ship measuring depth is the DS80 is at 2 meters at default. The speed readout is unstable due to air bubbles near the ship's hull. Increase or decrease the track depth to stabilize the readout. The setting range is 1.0 meters to 9.9 meters. To operate is open the system menu. And transducer offsets the deviation angle of the transducer orientation with the reference of the ships in the longitudinal axis. This is done by installation and no user adjustment is necessary. Next is the system menu 2. The system menu 2 contains the diagnostic test and selection of dimmer control in display language. To operate this is press the menu key to open the menu, followed by select the system menu 2 and press the ENT key. And check for the test, check the equipment for proper operation for the further details and dimmer. So for the demonstration mode outputs the Doppler speed signal to external equipment. This checks if the signal is being correctly output. To operate this, press the menu key to open the menu, select the demo and press the ENT key. As you can see in the picture, here's the example of how to demonstrate the demonstration mode. And the last one is select speed and press the ENT key. Followed by select the digit change with left or right direction and use up or down direction to set. Press the ENT key and press the ENT key to open the data display menu. Press the upper direction to select on and press the ENT key. And the last one is press the menu key twice to close the menu. Operation of optional equipment. The digital indicator DS-E30 and distance indicator DS-840 had the same control as the display unit. This chapter explains the features which are not shared with the display unit. Digital indicator DS-830 and distance indicator DS-840. So to operate is selecting a display, press the display key to select the display mode. Each time the key is pressed, the display shows speed plus distance run or speed alone as below. So as you can see in the picture, here the example on how to operate and what button need to press in order to operate this selecting a display. In here, the menu operation. To operate this one is press the menu key to show the display below or here, followed by pressing the distance run play. And that's all for my tutorial on how to operate a Doppler lag. Thank you.